Back on channel today. Went to Culver's again and got the vanilla raspberry concrete mixture raspberry. So I'll try it out and see how it is. So it's better, and I think I tried the chocolate one before.
Yeah.
In the chocolate custard, but I like the vanilla custard better. You can taste the raspberry better and more. You taste more of the raspberry flavor more.
Good job, number 216.
So,
sorry about that.
better. I think the chocolate one had too much.
Nice.
The chocolate one custard had too much chocolate flavor, I think. So I like the vanilla flavored one. It's better. So if I get this one a score, I'll get a 9. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when I post a video. Tell your friends to subscribe if it's not though. And the Merry Christmas. Bye.